So with the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket now launched and available to the general public, you're probably wondering what accessories are available for it. Well, there's some really interesting ones and we're going to take a look. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON. Now, DJI has only sent these products to us because of you, great people supporting this channel. So please click subscribe if you're not already a subscriber so that we can bring even more exclusive reviews to you. The Osmo Pocket is a fantastic little device, but a few things are missing potentially to reduce weight and power consumption. But accessories are coming out which will fill the gaps and hopefully we'll have them for full review. So let's start with this key accessory for me. The 3.5mm jack will hopefully allow you to connect an external mic to the Osmo Pocket, perhaps also headphones. It's going to stick rather untidily out of the USB-C port on the bottom, but it's better than nothing. I will comment though, the internal mic, as you heard in the review, is not bad at all, but I still prefer my lapel mic. Next is the wheel attachment that we saw leaked a few weeks ago. This is to provide far more precise control of the gimbal when you're not using the app. It's also got a switch on it to control the pitch and the yaw. Now this is impressive, but probably going to be quite pricey as it offers full waterproofing down to 60 meters. Scuba divers are going to love this. Oddly, however, I would have expected a dome like the old Mavic gimbal protectors, which would give full visibility all around without obstruction. The current design looks a little bit limiting to me. Selfie fans will love this, a telescopic extension rod into which the Osmo Pocket docks, and it's even got its own controls for gaining unique perspectives without a drone. Again, this one looks quite expensive, we will see. Another one to appeal to adventure lovers, it would appear that this case fits around the Osmo Pocket and then allows it to dock into action camera fittings, like for example GoPro. That's a bit awkward, but a very useful accessory. When capturing time-lapse or motion-lapse, the Osmo needs to be kept still. In addition, you might want to capture scenes which needs the Osmo to be plugged in, allowing you to have long-spanning captures over hours. This wireless module allows you to dock the Osmo Pocket whilst also charging it at the same time. Nature enthusiasts are going to love this. Now it's hard to fully picture this accessory, but I believe that the concept is that the case has an inbuilt power bank which charges the Osmo when you dock it for transport. Quite handy, but it might be quite expensive. And finally, of course, ND filters. DJI will offer a set of 4 commonly used filters which are always handy to have in your photography toolkit for those bright, sunny and overcast days. So hopefully that was a useful summary of all the accessories available. Links to them are in the video description, and of course you can always visit the DJI store. Thanks very much for watching, comment below your thoughts, and of course click that subscribe button. Cheers.